What do you think is the best beat you ever made as a music producer?
This is a question I often struggle with because that answer changes depending on who it is you ask. Well, if you ask my beat buying customers, Curtis, they'd probably say the best Curtis King beat was one of my highest selling ones called World Star. But if you ask my YouTube subscribers, they'll probably tell you it's one of my most highest viewed and streamed beats in Lemonhead. But if you ask me, I honestly don't know.
You a star, that's the truth. You a star, that's the truth. Look in the mirror and there appears the proof.
When we use the term best within music, it usually refers to our most accomplished, our most noteworthy, and our most universally appreciated moments of sound as producers. And depending on what metrics you personally value most, that can still stir up a hell of a debate. Just think Jordan versus LeBron. But if you were to ask me about, say, my favorite beat, well, that's a much easier question to answer.
I remember making that beat late night in my bedroom after my mom and my sisters went to sleep. The room was dark. The window was cracked open just enough for me to catch that chill summertime Cali breeze. You know, that beat was sort of an accident, really. The original plan was just to fool around with the sample that I found, add a few drums, and, well, eventually go to sleep. But you know how it is for us producers. Once we get started and find even a little bit of momentum, it's damn near impossible for us to stop. And I don't think I stopped until maybe an hour or 2 hours later. When I was done adding sounds to it, something in the air just told me to just lay down and listen to it. So that's what I did. Now, in retrospect, that beat was honestly just a really simple loop. But I could not stop listening to it. I remember just laying down on the bed with my headphones on and my DistroKid blanket. Yo,
Yes.
is DistroKid even around back
My
then?
DistroKid blanket. What is DistroKid, you may ask? Well, it is a service for musicians that allows you to put your music into online stores like Apple Music and Spotify. We're talking unlimited uploads for only $19.99 a year. Plus, they got some pretty fire merchandise. Hoodies, hats, nail clippers. Well, everything except for this blanket, that is. It's an affiliate team, my boy. Link in the description.
Okay, back to the story. I remember laying down on my bed with my headphones on, just letting FL Studio replay that beat to me like a lullaby. Fam, that beat put me in a trance. It felt like an out-of-body experience. No, for real. It kind of reminded me why I fell in love with making music. For me, that was purely a moment that was all about the sound being so powerful and so warm that I didn't even realize that it was 59 degrees outside and the window was wide open.
Being a music producer nowadays can be complicated as hell. Sometimes we put a lot of unnecessary pressure on our backs to make what our peers will consider our best work. But what if instead you just chose to show up, sit down, cook up, share your results, and I don't know, leave room for possibility. The possibility of what, you may ask? I don't know. But I think that's the most exciting part about what we do. Take it easy on yourself. Peace.